Good morning. I'm Sayoko SUEMORI. I would like to talk about amazing creature that may help people. 805 million. What do you think this number is? Is it a number of lactic acid bacteria contained in a pinch of kimchi? Or the prize money of Lotus 7? No. This is starving population, which is the number of people in the world who are suffering from hunger. In the world, about 10 to 20% of crops grown are not harvested because of poor growth and damaged by diseases and insects. If the last crops were grown healthily and harvested, they will be food for 800 million people. Don't you think it's better if we could produce bigger amount of food for hungry people by increasing harvest rate? Recently, it is expected that a group of living organisms can increase harvest rate. The organisms are called endophytes. Endophytes are microbes which live between plant cells in symbiosis. Symbiosis is a statement which two different organisms are depending on each other. The clownfish, which is the hero of a Disney movie, Finding Nemo, and the sea anemone, the honeybee and the azalea are the examples of creatures in symbiosis. Endophytes are non-disease causing to plants which they live in. Moreover, they may have positive effects on host plants, such as growth promoting effects and disease resistant enhancing effects. Endophytes have already been commercialized as agricultural goods. For example, inner produced by mica manufacturing contains endophytes Azospirillum sp strain B510. This endophyte promotes growth and enhance disease resistance of rice plants. By providing these endophytes to rice plants, larger amount of nutritious rice can be harvested. Like this, the positive effects of endophytes have been proved and practically used, but how endophytes work in plant bodies is not well understood. How do endophytes promote plant growth? According to mica manufacturing, Riken and Tohoku University, the endophyte Azospirillum increase stem number. This brings about increase of panicle number and seed production. And the endophytes enhance growth of leaves. Azospirillum promotes horizontal growth due to cellular metabolism rather than vertical growth. The effects of the endophyte are close to the effects of plant hormones. Plant hormones are chemical substances which regulate the growth processes of plants. The effects of azospirillum that promotes cell division and leaf growth and increase stem number is close to the effects of gibberellins and cytokinins. Here are some different kinds of endophytes. These endophytes produce plant hormones such as auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins in nutrient agar plate. This means that these endophytes produce plant hormones on their own without host plants. From these characteristics of endophytes, plant growth promoting effects are likely to be caused by plant hormones which endophytes produce. There are numerous kinds of endophytes on the earth. By finding and applying suitable endophytes to crops which people frequently eat, the amount of food can be increased and we can nourish more people. This is Hunger Map 2014. The countries colored darker red own bigger number of undernourished people. To change this map greener, bigger amount of food needs to be produced in red area. However, the land suitable for agriculture is limited. The soil of area colored green is suitable for growing crops, but other areas are not because of soil degradation. The fields for crops cannot be expanded a lot. Therefore, it is realistic to increase harvest rate of existing fields rather than expanding fields. Agricultural chemicals can promote growth of plants and protect crops from diseases and insects. But at the same time, they are potent to cause pollution, serious pollution, and infect other living organisms. Endophytes are not poisonous to the environment, but have similar profits as agricultural chemicals. Endophytes are amazing creatures that can increase harvest rate and nourish more people with the best and unique way that any other method cannot do. These are references. Thank you for your attention.
That's the end of all presentations. Please come here, all presenters, moderators, and timekeeper. All presentation is really wonderful and interesting. I was so impressed by their enthusiasm, curiosity, and eagerness to research. I hope you learned I hope you something from their presentations, and that can help your research or work in the future. Please don't hesitate to the speakers if you have any questions. Thank you for coming and attending this conference. Hope to see you again sometime. Thank you.